for Thanksgiving.
And then I give it to her?
You ready?
No, you have to keep going with the new word.
You do the new word.
Yes.
Well, I pressed it twice.
So you don't have to do air whatever you said. Don't press it twice. She's telling
You have to do the word that's given to you.
If I don't know what it is.
You have to do it anyway.
Oh God, this is a name of a magician on TV, and he does all kinds of illusions.
David Copperfield.
No, it's not him. It's
David
the one
Blaine.
on the chain.
Chris Angel,
no.
Mind Freak.
Oh, I'm sorry. I was thinking of him. This is not him at all. This man is the former Prime Minister of England. Here.
This is us. This is what Mom is after every time she does a good thing. Oh,
Sex.
You go to jail, you're a
Convict.
criminal.
Offender.
Yes.
Yeah, okay,
Prison war.
Oh,
Good job.